Samsung nears Tesla AI chip ramp. Samsung has received temporary approval to begin limited operations at its semiconductor plant in Taylor, Texas. This marks a key step towards the tech giant's production of Tesla's next-generation AI5 chips in the United States. Samsung clears early operations hurdle. As noted in a report from Korea Jungang Daily, Samsung Electronics has secured temporary certificates of occupancy (TCOs) for a portion of its semiconductor facility in Taylor. This should allow the facility to start operations ahead of full completion later this year. City officials confirmed that approximately 88,000 square feet of Samsung's Fab 1 building has received temporary approval, with additional areas expected to follow. The overall timeline for permitting the remaining sections has not yet been finalized. Samsung's Taylor facility is expected to manufacture Tesla's AI5 chips once mass production begins in the second half of the year. The facility is also expected to produce Tesla's upcoming AI6 chips. Tesla CEO Elon Musk recently stated that the design for AI5 is nearly complete, and the development of AI6 is already underway. Musk has previously outlined an aggressive roadmap targeting 9-month design cycles for successive generations of its AI chips. Good news: Samsung Electronics has secured temporary certificates of occupancy (TCO) for its Taylor fab, covering about 88,000 square feet at Fab 1, paving the way for limited operations ahead of full completion, scheduled for the second half of this year. Samsung's U.S. expansion. Construction at the Taylor site remains on schedule. Reports indicate Samsung plans to begin testing extreme ultraviolet EUV lithography equipment next month, a critical step for producing advanced 2-nanometer semiconductors. Samsung is expected to complete 6 million square feet of floor space at the site by the end of this year, with an additional 1 million square feet planned by 2028. The full campus spans more than 1,200 acres. Beyond Tesla, Samsung Foundry is also pursuing additional USA customers as demand for AI and high-performance computing chips accelerates. Company executives have stated that Samsung is looking to achieve more than 130% growth in 2-nanometer chip orders this year. One of Samsung's biggest rivals, TSMC, is also looking to expand its footprint in the United States, with reports suggesting that the company is considering expanding its Arizona facility to as many as 11 total plants. TSMC is also expected to produce Tesla's AI5 chips. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.